Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're doing lamb chops with a mint cream sauce, and we're going to show you how to do a great baked potato, with a side. We're going to do that all together. Anyway, that's next here on Cooking with Corey. I want to go ahead and give my shout outs today, and we got 4 more of them, so we're going to do some shout outs right now. Alicia Lynn, go check out her channel. She does some hauls, she does some cooking, she's got a great stuffed pepper recipe out there. She used turkey. Please go check her out. Dan's Outdoor Cooking. This guy is the Dutch oven cast iron king of the world when it comes to cooking outside. Go give him a check out. Wonderful channel. Great guy. And I gotta give a shout out to Josh and Babe. I irritated Babe a while back. They're not married, and I kind of sided with Josh. So this is for you, babe. This is the food. If you guys ever come down to Nebraska, I will make this for you guys. So that's it. All right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Josh and Babe. Let's get this cook on next on Cooking with Corey. Hey guys, don't forget April 6th # peanut butter. Let's make this collab something wonderful. Alright, our ingredients are as follows today. We got some extra virgin olive oil, some white wine, some asparagus, some big old russet potatoes, a lemon. I used the zest last night in a recipe that I was working on with my new sous vide. Lamb chops, mint, garlic, shallot, cream, and for the balsamic video, we're going to use that to do a little marinade for our lamb chops. Then we're going to go smoke those bad boys out there on the Traeger. Let's get this going. Let's get her done. Okay, let's get these lamb chops going. Going for bed because, we got to make up for what we said. So, here we go. I'm going to use a sous vide bag that I have. We're not going to sous vide these, but I'm just throw my chops in here. We got 3 chops. We'll get those situated around in there with my impeccably clean hands. Our balsamic vinaigrette that we made. Go check out the video before this one and after this one. Just go pour that in there like so. Seal this bag up. Let's tight seal on it. Got this fancy little tool here. Goes on here. Suck the air out of that bag. Now you could definitely just do this in a Ziploc bag. You can just throw it on there. You don't even have to put this on there. Alright, so there we go. Let these marinate. Probably an hour. And we're going to throw them on the Traeger. Alright, potatoes. Right here we got 3 huge russets, which I gave a little bath of olive oil. Whatever you got, works fine. So make sure they're nice and coated in the olive oil. And then what you want to do is give them some salt. This much pepper. Pepper will burn in the oven, so get it salted down good. 375-degree oven, around an hour till they're done. got here on the trigger. We got our lamb chops on, and they are looking delicious. Got our lamb chops going. Let's go in and make the sauce. Move along. Alright guys, sauce time. So let's get this sauce rolling. Our mint cream sauce with garlic, shallot, obviously mint, a little bit of olive oil to get our party started there. And we're going to add the shallot to the party. And while I'm at it, I'm going to get the garlic going too. I just want to sweat these through. I'm not worried about anything else other than that. And that's the beginning of our sauce. So we're going to sweat these through. We'll be back. Alright, we got our delicious garlic and shallot going on there. And need to add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And if you have issues with black pepper, you can use white pepper. We've talked about this before. I actually don't have issues with it. That's why I use it. All is well with that sauce at the moment. So, obviously we're getting some color on there. So, a cup of heavy cream goes into the mix. And let's get our mint in there. Our mint going in there. We'll stir going. And while we're at it, we are going to, since we put cream in, a little bit more salt and a little bit more black pepper. Always got to remember to layer your flavors, peeps. It's all about layering some flavors. And you know what else we got? A little bit of lemon. So let's put a little bit of lemon juice in there. That'll really brighten those flavors. Alright, now all we're doing is we're reducing cream. We're going to reduce this down to where it's nice and saucy. And we will have a delicious mint cream sauce. Our delicious lamb chops are off of the smoker. And we're getting ready to plate here, people. It's going to be delicious. By the way, I forgot to add wine into that sauce. That's because Jen took the wine off my board. And then I forgot to put it in there. So if you're going to use that, you put it in right after you're sweating the garlic and the shallot, and reduce it, and then add your cream. It's not her fault. She did break her foot yesterday and fractured a metatarsal or something in her foot, so she's doing a little self-medicating. But it's all good. We got some delicious chops. We just forgot the wine. It's not the end of the world. Alright, our sauce is about to where it needs to be. Obviously, we can do this. It's making a little trail. We're pretty good. I'm happy with that. We'll kill the heat on that. Alright, let's plate this lamb chops up. We got our delicious lamb chops. They are off the smoker. We got our baked potato going. Let's do the baked potato first. So I want to show you guys what a baked potato should look like. It shouldn't come in foil. It should look like that. Right out of your oven. Olive oil, salt, and pepper. We'll get a better, it's hot. We'll get a better baked potato that way. And this is the only way you should be doing it. I mean, you can do it the other way. You know, that's up to you. But, it'll make your skin tastier if you are into the skin of the potato, and you pull it in like that, and you get a good pop out of your potato like so. Oh, so this is for Babe. So Babe, I'm hoping you like your redemption video that I'm doing for you here. Redemption, me being mouthy and saying that he should not put a ring on it. So this is for you, Babe. And we keep going with this. Butter. You do what you want with this. Obviously, make it how you want it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, obviously, and a little bit of fresh cracked pepper in there to melt in with that butter. And I like to do one other thing. On my baked potato, you don't have to do this, but I do add just a little bit of olive oil in there. That's up to you. You don't have to do that, obviously. It's your show. It's your baked potato. You do what you want with your baked potato. But I'm thinking Babe would like it this way. So this is all for Babe today. So here we go. Cheddar cheese. All right. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. So let's add, place this over here. Got our delicious lamb chops here. Let's do one. Let's just do 2 of these on this plate. Like so. All right. We got 2 lamb chops on there on Babe's plate. This is for Babe. And I'm sure she would love some asparagus, so we're gonna lace this with some asparagus on top like so. How's it looking, Babe? Are you digging it? It's looking good, I think. And the final thing to the equation is gonna be some delicious sauce. Mint garlic cream sauce. Go with our kind of balsamic lamb chops. Alright guys, there you got it. Lamb chops. Showed you how to do a great baked potato. Mint cream sauce with garlic and shallot. We forgot the wine because Jen drank it. But she did break her foot, so it's okay. Hey, there you go, Babe. I hope you enjoy it. I'll make it for you when you get down here to Nebraska to make up for it. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. I love you, and we'll see you on the next video.